time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनअकैडमी। कैसे हो मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों? आई होप द ऑडियो एंड वीडियो आर क्लियर एंड वेलकम टू योर ऑन सेशन विच इज 20 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम सिविल इंजीनियरिंग एंड इट इज द 26th सेशन और 7 years of teaching experience and 2 years of industrial experience. And I used to cover more than 50% of the subjects in civil engineering, and my area of interest are theory of structure, RCC, geotechnical engineering, strength of material, fluid mechanics, engineering mechanics, plastic analysis and surveying engineering. And this is the official Telegram channel of our team. You guys can join this channel for the upcoming lecture notifications and YouTube notes. And we do have many free content available on Unacademy official YouTube channel and as well as on Unacademy special classes, but still we recommend our learners to go for our Plus and Iconic plan, because in Plus you can have access to our live classes on the daily basis, weekly tests are there, structure courses are there and crash courses are there, rank improvement batches and unlimited access to content is also there. If you are talking about the iconic one, which is the superset of Plus, where we are going to provide you all the benefits of Plus. Apart from that, also you are going to get the personal coach who is going to plan your study, who is going to keep the study booster session for you, who is going to analyze your test at the personalized level. Not only this, also you are going to get the specialized notes and practice sets on the daily basis along with the dedicated doubt clearing instructor. So whether it is a matter of plus or iconic, feel free to use the code AISH10. Dear Unacademy subscription models are available from 3 months to 2 year, and if I'm talking about Iconic, then this model is available from 6 months to 2 years. So for instant 10% off, you guys can use the code AISH10. And next combat is going to be live on 23rd of January, which is the India's largest weekly competition for GATE. And you guys can also enroll yourself for AIMT or India mock test for GATE 2022. Total 5 mock tests were there, out of which 3 have been successfully conducted, and its timing is 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Okay, so already we have conducted 3 tests here, and the next AIMT will be there on 23rd of January. So just for enrollment, you can use the code AISH10 here. And these are the notifications of upcoming batches. You can see the new batches have been started in mechanical, civil, electrical, EC, CSIT, and all. And in evolve batch and ascent batch, strength of material is going to start, and its timing is 9:30 p.m. So now welcoming you all guys in 20 questions from civil engineering. And again, these 20 questions will be having 10 technical questions of 2 marks, then 5 non-technical questions of 2 marks, and again in the last 5 technical questions of 1 mark. So total you can say 35 marks weightage is there, and I tried to cover the entire civil engineering. It is going to cover aptitude, maths, as well as the technical aspect of civil engineering. So let's start the session. Please share the session, all of you, and this session is quite helpful for your upcoming GATE exam. So here is question number 1 on your screen, and it is from the environmental engineering. If the water contains 210 grams of carbonate ion, 112 grams of bicarbonate ion, and 68 gram of hydroxyl ion, OH minus, then the total alkalinity of the water in terms of calcium carbonate is how much? So this is we have to calculate. So solve it. So here you can see that equivalent concentration of carbonate ion is weight of the carbonate ion. What is the molecular weight? 12 plus 48. So it is 60 into 2 into 50. In terms of calcium carbonate, it is going to be 350 grams. Similarly, if we are calculating the equivalent concentration of HCO3 minus, it is 100 and it is 122 upon 13 and 48, 61 into 50. So it is 100 grams. And similarly, if we are talking about equivalent weight of OH minus hydroxyl ion, it is 68 upon 70 into 50. So it is going to be 200 grams. So total, you can see total it is 350 plus 100 plus 200. So it is going to be 650 grams. So it is matching with option B. Sorry. So it is matching with option number B. Okay. So yes, this is 122. Okay. So next one is from dam. Okay. So a trapezoidal dam section of 12 meter height has vertical upstream face with 3 meter top and 9 meter width at the bottom. In order to increase the storage, it is proposed to raise the water height by erecting the steel shutter at the top of the dam in the line with the vertical face of the dam. The maximum permissible height of the shutter so that no tension is developed at the upstream end of the base under the reservoir full condition is. You can take the unit weight of masonry as 21 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, So just calculate this. So maximum permissible height they are asking. So if I am going to draw the trapezoidal dam, it will be like this. It is 12-meter high, 3 meter at top, and 9 meter at bottom. So a steel shutter we have to erect here. So you have to calculate the distance of this steel shutter. Let's suppose this height is S, and under full condition, so water pressure is going to be like this. Okay, so this is the water level. Okay, so this is 3 meter and this is 9, means you can say 3, and it is 6, it is 3 meter. So total height is given to you, it is 12 meter high. Okay, so we don't need any tension, and unit weight is given to you 21. So suggest me what is the maximum permissible height, or what is the value of S. Okay, so we know one thing, that for no tension, um, the resultant must pass from outer third point, that is summation of moment about 1 is equal to 0. So this is the outer third point here. So you can say it is 3 meter and it is again 3 meter. So let me call this point as point number 1. So moment about 1 must be equal to 0. And here if you are going to calculate weight of weight here, so weight को कैसे define करेंगे यहाँ पे. So let me call it W1. Let me call it W1. Let me call it W2. So W1 is half into base into height into density. So it is 7, it is W2 actually, half into base into height. It is 756 kilonewton. W1 also we can calculate. It is area of the rectangle, means 3 into 12. Density is 21 of the masonry. It is again 756 kilonewton. So both are coming same. And it is acting at a distance of 4.5 meter from 1, and it is acting at a distance of 1 meter. Okay, so W2 is a 1 meter from 1. Okay, 1 from 1. Okay, and this you can say out of 12, 1/3 is there. Okay, from 1. So total pressure here is WH square by 2, 9.81 into 12 plus S square by 2. So it is 4.905 into 12 plus S square kilonewton. Okay, and it acts as 1/3 of total available height. Okay, So if I am going to do the summation of moment is equal to 0 at 1, then 756 into 4.5 plus 756 into 1, this is the clockwise, minus 4.905, this is the pressure, into 1 by 3, 12 plus s equals to 0. If you are going to solve this equation, so it will be cubic equation and s is coming out to be 1.65 meter. Very good evening dear दूध वाला. Okay, चलिए next question number 3. In a river basin a station A was, अच्छा ये किससे मैच हो रहा है 1.65? It is matching with option A. Okay. So in a river basin, a station A was inoperative during a storm, while station B, C, D, E, and E surrounding A were inoperating, registering 74, 88, 71, and 80 mm of precipitation. The coordinate of B, C, D, and E are given to you. With coordinate of A, you can take A as origin. Now, what is the missing storm precipitation of station A by inverse distance method is? Inverse distance method is. चलिए जल्दी बताइए. इनवर्स डिस्टेंस मेथड आपको यूज करना है. इनवर्स डिस्टेंस मेथड, बी केयरफुल. Okay, so if I'm calculating the distance, so dB square is 9 square plus 6 square, because with respect to A the distance formula can be applied, so it is 117. Okay, it is 117. So WB is dB square ka inverse, so it is 8.547 into 10 to the power minus 3. Similarly, if I am calculating distance of C square, so C coordinate kitna hai, 12 square plus 9 square, this is 225. So similarly, distance of C is DC square inverse, it is coming out 4.44 into 10 to the power minus 3. Similarly, distance of D square is equal to minus 11 square plus minus 6 square, so it is coming out to be 157, and WD is DD square ka inverse, it is 6.369 10 to minus 3. Next, DE square. पोस्टपोन होगी क्या सर जी गेट? क्या लगता है? मुझे नहीं पता यार, आप बताइए. चलिए, so this is the total distances. Now what we have to do? Now simply px is summation of inverse distance method upon summation of so this is coming out to be 77.7 millimeter, which is best matching with option D. बदमाश है गेट वाली. सुनामी भी आएगी तो कैंसिल नहीं करेंगे. हाँ देखो, मेरा भी शुरू से यही कहना है कि पोस्टपोन नहीं होना चाहिए, बट लेट्स सी व्हाट्स हैपन. ठीक है, चलो देखो, ये जो भी पोस्टपोन वाली कहानियां हो रही है ये हाल फिलहाल में ही हो रही है ना। तो पूरा साल तो आपके पास था ही, लास्ट ईयर भी ये पैंडेमिक ऐसे ही था, बट स्टिल इट कंडक्टेड इन इट ऑन टाइम। तो मेरे हिसाब से आप लोगों को ये ऑप्शन माइंड में लेना ही नहीं चाहिए कि ये पोस्टपोन होगा नहीं होगा। आपको इतना पता है कि फेब्रवरी सेकेंड वीक में आपको टेस्ट देना है, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली योर प्लानिंग शुड बी देयर। होता है तो सबके लिए होगा, ये मत समझना कि सिर्फ आपके अकेले के लिए पोस्टपोन होगा तो आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एज मिल जाएगा। इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी फॉर एप्लीकेबल फॉर एवरीवन। सो अल्टीमेटली फाइनल रिजल्ट विल नॉट वेरी मच। अगर अभी गेट होता है या थोड़ा एक महीने बाद होता है तो वो रूल सबके लिए एप्लीकेबल होगा। तो कंपटीशन की जो रिलेटिवनेस है दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज, दिस इज व्हाट आई फील। So don't think much about this. Now next question. A closed vertical cylinder 0.4 meter in diameter and 0.4 meter in height is completely filled with oil of a specific gravity of 0.8. If the cylinder is rotated about its vertical axis of 200 rpm, the thrust at bottom of the cylinder is, what is going to be the thrust at the bottom of the cylinder? हाँ दूंगा तुम्हें अपडेट, अपडेट देंगे जल्दी। एक बार आज कनेक्ट करते हैं डियर, आज ही कनेक्ट करते हैं एक बार। ओके चलिए इसको कीजिए सॉल्व फ्रॉम रिलेटिव इक्विलिब्रियम, फ्रॉम रिलेटिव इक्विलिब्रियम। समझ नहीं आया डियर ट्रैवल इंजीनियर सर, पर पीक पर एग्ज़ाम लेना थोड़ी ना होता है। अच्छा चलो देखते हैं, रिलेटिव वही चल रहा है। अब पीक है या नहीं ये डिसाइड हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? वही डाटा तो हम देख रहे हैं जो हमें दिखाया जा रहा है। इफेक्ट इज दैट कि स्टिल मेरे हिसाब से आपको रियलिटी अभी पता ही नहीं है, ना आपको ना मुझे। वेरी गुड इवनिंग डियर राजीव, बहुत दिनों बाद डियर, कैसे हो आप? गुड इवनिंग। और राजीव अब ठीक है तबीयत आपकी? वैक्सीन वगैरह लग गई? ओके राजीव, आपने मूवमेंट एरिया करना था। एक बार रात को 10 बजे मिलते हैं आज स्पेशल क्लास पे, रात को 10 बजे स्पेशल क्लास पे मिलते हैं। एक बार मूवमेंट एरिया पे आज बात करते हैं, ठीक है? आपको कुछ वीडियो लिंक्स दिए थे, आई होप वो यूजफुल रहे होंगे आपके लिए। चलो एक बार इसको देख लेते हैं कैसे करना है। सो रेडियस आपको दे रखा है, हाइट आपको दे रखी है, हाइट इज 0.4 मीटर, specific gravity is also given to you, 800 kg per meter cube is the density, and rpm में स्पीड दे रखी है आपको, revolution per minute, this one. Okay, so force at the bottom, force at the bottom is force at the top plus w pi r square h. Okay, volume into density, unit weight. So force at top is rho by 4 w square pi r square. Okay, so this is coming out to be 440.98 kilonewton. Okay, and what about bottom? So F bottom is F top, which is 440.98 plus specific gravity is this one, G is 9.81. So this is the W value. So pi r square h, pi r square into h. So total value is coming out to be 835.46. ओके यूजफुल थे, चलो गुड। स्लो थे आपके हिसाब से, बट एकदम बेसिक से बनाया था मैंने वो वीडियो, एकदम बेसिक से बनाए गए थे। चलो नेक्स्ट, दी a parabola vertical curve to be set out connecting to uniform grades of 0.8% and minus 0.9%. The change and RL of a point of intersection are 1664 meter and 238.755 meter respectively. The rate of change of grade is 0.05% per chain of 20 meter. Change of the second tangent point is surveying engineering. चलिए, सो चेंज इन ग्रेड अगर मैं बात करूं सॉल्यूशन में, सो व्हाट इज द चेंज इन ग्रेड? सो चेंज इन ग्रेड is 0.8 minus of minus 0.9. So total I think no or 17. So 1.7 percentage is there. And what about the length of the curve? So length of vertical curve is 1.7% दे रखा है आपको, over chainage of 0.05%. So there are 34 chains. No, 34 chains. Okay, now length of the curve, length of the curve, now length of the curve on either side of apex, either side of apex is how much? 34 का आधा, 17 and 17 chains. ठीक है, तो अगर एक चेन की कीमत वैल्यू 20 मीटर है तो 17 की कितनी होगी? 340 मीटर्स होगी, बिकॉज चेन लेंथ इज 20 मीटर गिवन टू यू. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द चेनेज ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन? इंटरसेक्शन कितना दे रखा है? इट इज 1664. So second tangent का chainage, so chainage of second tangent point is 1664 plus 340 is 2004 meter. So again option D is matching. Option D is matching. Okay, चलिए dear, the sixth question again it is from environmental engineering. अरे यार 2 क्वेश्चन हो गए एनवायरमेंट से, चलो कोई नहीं, करिए. The solubility product for the dissociation of magnesium hydroxide is 9 into 10 raised to the power minus 12. The concentration of magnesium ion at equilibrium expressed as a milligram of calcium carbonate is. This one is interesting. क्लास 11th की केमिस्ट्री की याद दिला देगा ये आपको. सेम हेयर, केमिस्ट्री में मेरा भी बड़ा हाथ तंग रहा है शुरू से ही। ऐसा नहीं है पूरी केमिस्ट्री में तंग रहा है, कुछ टॉपिक थे जो मतलब जिनमें मज़ा ही नहीं आया कभी। 11th क्लास का जो ऑर्गेनिक था वो बड़ा पसंद था मेरे को, हाइड्रोकार्बन्स चैप्टर था, और स्टोइकोमेट्री अच्छी लगती थी, मोल कंसेप्ट अच्छे लगते थे, है ना। ये एस ब्लॉक, पी ब्लॉक, डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स, इनमें सब बड़ा हाथ टाइट था। रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन अच्छा लगता था। तो 50% केमिस्ट्री तो पसंद थी हमें, और 50% बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती थी। चलिए, ये तो सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट है, तो सिंपल सी इसको अगर मैं इस मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का डिसोसिएशन करवा दूँ तो रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन होती है ये। सो आपको मैग्नीशियम आयन मिल जाएगा प्लस हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन मिलेगा, बैलेंस करोगे तो सिंपल बैलेंस भी हो गया। इफ द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ Mg इज x, देन इसका कंसंट्रेशन कितना हो जाएगा, 2 times of x. So solubility product is given to you. So solubility product is simply x into 2x का होल स्क्वायर. So this is equal to 9 into 10 to the power minus 12. तो ये हो जाएगा मेरे पास हाउ मच, x वैल्यू इज कमिंग आउट टू 1.25, तो कितना 1.3 कैलकुलेटेड है मेरे पास, -4 मोल पर लीटर. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल Mg2 plus ion concentration, which is the total concentration divided by into 50, is 0.013 gram per liter as CaCO3. So option A, it's matching with option A, है ना। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। हाँ, आज एनवायरनमेंट का वेटेज बहुत दिया है। The landfill survey population of 2,53,000 each week 325 trucks brings a total of 2180 tons of municipal solid waste. The volume of the landfill is 11 lakh नहीं 112,40,000 meter cube. At present 83% of the landfill is used. The ratio of cover to compacted fill is 1.9. Now what is the projected life of the remaining landfill? Compacted waste density you guys can take 490 kg per meter cube. Okay, तो ये बताना है। लेट मी चेक दी डाटा, भी अटेम्प्ट करना है इसको। एक बार मैं डाटा वेरीफाई कर लूँ। लेट मी री वेरीफाई डाटा, कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है, जस्ट ए मिनट। Yeah, now it's all right. This is that is so that is not 83%, that is 63%. ओके, मेरे सॉल्यूशन से मैच नहीं हो रहा था ये, इसलिए मुझे लगा कुछ गड़बड़ है। सो टेल मी डियर, It's 63%. चलो आज एनवायरनमेंट को बहुत वेटेज मिल गया ना। चलो देखो सॉल्व करते हैं इसको। मैं अगले पेज पे ही करता हूँ, हो नहीं पाएगा इस पेज पे। सो बात की जाए अगर रिमेनिंग वॉल्यूम की, दैट इज 37% of the total volume. Okay, so projected volume या future volume, it is coming out to be how much? 4158800 into 1 upon 1 plus e, 1.19. This is 1434069 meter cube. ओके, सो मास की बात की जाए तो 490 kg per meter cube. This is in 702693793 kg है। मैं कैलकुलेशन पूरी कर रखी है मैंने, तभी क्वेश्चन पॉसिबल है इतने कम टाइम में 20। सो नाउ इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मास, सॉरी टाइम, तो टाइम कितना लगेगा? कितना है? 2180 टन पर वीक. So it is 322 weeks. So this is matching with 6.2 years. It is matching with 6.2 years. तो 325 डाटा रिडंडेंट था, इसकी जरूरत नहीं थी। So 6.2 years अभी भी इसकी रिमेनिंग लाइफ बची है ना। चलो नेक्स्ट। Okay, this is the truss and you have to calculate the number of zero forces member. Okay, एक्चुअली यहाँ पे भी ऑप्शन का झमेला है। Give me your answer in this. Ignore these options. Ignore these options. Give me your own answer. All of you. Give me your own answer. Two members are meeting at this hinge joint. Both are zero force member. Two members are meeting on this hinge joint. No external load. Both are zero force member. Again, two members are meeting on this joint. Zero force member. Again, two members are meeting on this joint. Zero force member. Here, three members are meeting, out of which two are collinear and one is non-collinear. Since no external load is acting, so this is again zero force member. Okay. This is again three members are meeting. This is again zero force member. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No results can be drawn from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10. 10 number of option E. There are 10 number of zero forces member. Saish Bhosle, I think it is 10 dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9. Okay. And this is 10. This is 10. Okay. So 10 members are there. तो मतलब आपका structure will look like this. It will look like this. It will look like this. एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं कहीं और ना निकल रहा हो कोई मेंबर. Actually here as well 4 members are meeting now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this can not say to be zero force member. So not 10, it is 9. It is 9. 9. Here 4 members are meeting now, so we cannot make any prediction. And why these are not zero force member? Because here external load is here as well external load is here. So here it is 10 and here it is 5 kilonewton. So this is okay. So let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and no comment can be made here. 4 members are here. Here again 4 members are here. And yes. 9. 9 is alright. 9 is alright. Okay, 9 is alright. Okay. 9 is alright. Sorry, next. And next is a bar of T section symmetrical about the vertical axis has the flange 150 mm wide and 20 mm thick and the web 120 mm deep and 20 mm thick. The member is acted upon by a longitudinal pull P which acts on the section at the point of vertical central line and is 50 mm from the bottom edge of the web. If the maximum allowable tensile stress is 80 MPa, then the magnitude of maximum pull which can be applied will be. Okay. So this one is interesting. Okay. This one is interesting. So you can consider it as a problem of mechanics and it will be needing the simple knowledge on bending stresses. So let me draw the T section for you guys. So all the dimensions are in millimeter. Okay, all the dimensions are in millimeter. Now what about y bar? Y bar you can calculate. It's going to be how much? Y bar is going to be 160 into 20 into 130, or from top if I'm considering. So how much it is? Yes, 130. Or from top if I'm considering y bar, then it is 10 only, plus 20 into 120 into 60 plus 20, 80. You have a total area 160 into 20 plus 120 into 20. So this is coming out to be 40 mm from top. Okay, area you can also calculate. It is 160 into 20 plus 120 into 20. So this is 5600 mm square. Moment of inertia also you can calculate by using the parallel axis theorem. So this is the neutral axis, and moment of inertia you can calculate from the parallel axis theorem. It is b d cube by 12 plus area into r square plus b d cube by 12 plus area into 16, and this is 40. So how much it is? It is 40 square. So this is coming out to be 9.7 into 10 to the power 6 mm4. So bending moment at bending moment at top is how much? What about the bending moment at top? So I am writing the important information here. A is 5600 mm square. I is how much? I is 9.707 into 10 to the power 6 mm4. Okay, and yes, so bending moment is equal to how much? It is p times of 50, and sigma max is p by a plus m upon I into y. So it is p by 5600 plus 50 p m upon I into y. Y is 100, na? From here to here it is 100 mm. Y max you have to take. So on solving this you will be getting the value of this is given to 80 MPa, and on solving this the value of P is coming out to 115.33 kilonewton. So it is matching with option number B. It is matching with option number B. Okay. So that is the case. Option B. And the last 2 marks technical question. The width of the expansion joint gap is 3 cm in concrete cement pavement. If the laying temperature is 25 degree and the maximum slab temperature in summer is 54 degrees centigrade, then the spacing between the expansion joint is, if sigma value is given to you. Okay, so this one is easy. So this is 3 and delta T is how much? 54 minus 25, 29 degree, and half of the joint is L alpha delta T. So from this you can say 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 by 2 is equal to L alpha, this is alpha, delta T. So L is coming out to be 51.7 meter. Okay. Now non-technical question. Non-technical questions, and it will be from question number 11 to question number 15. From 11 to question number 15. Okay. So करें start. All of you. रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा आप लोगों का, बहुत कम. सॉल्व कीजिए. चलो नॉन टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन मुझे पता है इसमें सब लोग आप अच्छे होते हो. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम मैथमेटिक्स. A path is given to you AB. AB is the quarter of a circle, or you can say the quadrant of a circle, and its radius is 1 unit. Okay, and you have to find the integration of x plus y whole square on the path AB traversed in the counterclockwise direction, or you can say in the anti-clockwise direction. What is the integration of x plus y whole square? Actually it is given you like this. So this is the axis, and this is also the axis, and let's suppose the quadrant is given to you in this manner. Quadrant is given to you in this manner. Okay. Like this it is given to you. Radius is unit here, and let's suppose this is r, and this is this angle is z theta, and this is r d theta. So x square plus y square is given to you, and here if this is x axis, this is y axis, then x square plus y square is nothing but it is equal to 1. Okay, so travel engineering is saying sir, go for option number B. Well done, absolutely right. What is your name, dear travel engineer? So x is r cos theta, if this is the angle theta, and y is r sin theta. Y is r sin theta. So path AB we are going in the counterclockwise direction. So path AB, it is x plus Raj. Okay, are you Raj Shekhar? So this is integration of 0 to pi by 2 r cos theta plus r sin theta whole square. Okay, into d theta. Okay, acha Raj Singh. Okay dear. So x is this, and r d theta is there. So put the value of r as 1, 1, 1. R d theta is also 1. R is also 1. So it is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus sin 2 theta. Okay, into d theta. So it is 1 plus sin 2 theta. So it is 1 plus sin 2 theta integration over 0 to pi by 2 is how much? Pi by 2 plus, this integration is plus 1. So it is matching with the option B. It is best matching with the option B. Okay, chalo. Next is, suppose a fair 6-sided die is rolled once. If the value of the dice is 1, 2 or 3, the die is rolled a second time. What is the probability that the sum of the total value that turn up is at least 6? Okay, चलिए, easy one for you guys, easy one. So if die is rolling, then either you are going to get 1 2 3 or you are going to get 4 5 6. If it is 1 2 3, then sum is greater than 6, its probability is 1 by 2. And if it is 4 5 6, then sum is always greater than 6, so 1/3 chance is there. So the probability that if sum is greater than equal to 6 is 9 by 18, and its probability is 1 by 2, its probability is also 1 by 2, plus 1 by 3 with 1 by 2 probability. So if you are going to solve it, so it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. So this value is coming out to be 5 by 12, option B. It is 5 by 12. Okay, 13.1 is from mixture. A can contains mixture of two liquid A and B in the ratio of 7:5. When 9 liter of mixtures are drawn off and the can is filled with B, the ratio of A and B becomes 7:9. How many liters of liquid A was contained by the can initially? देखते हैं क्या एप्टीट्यूड है आपका. So A is to be 7:5. So if I am taking what is A with respect to total, it is 7 upon 7 plus 5 of K. It is 7 by 16. So 7 by 12 times of K is 7 by 16. So K is 3 by 4. 12 by 16 is 3 by 4. Okay. Now after replacing, 3 by 4 is there, so 1 by 4. So into 9, so it is 9 by 36. So liquid A was initially how much? It is 7 by 12 of total is 36, it is 21 liters. Option C. Very good, Saish Bhosle. Very, very good. Okay. 14th question. What is the remainder of 257 raised to the power 1008 divided by 64? Easiest one. Easiest question of the session. What is the remainder of 257 raised to the power 1008 divided by 64? Fast. Travel engineer was also right for the previous question. Very good, Raj. Okay. So this one is easy, dear. I don't know why you are taking so much of time. See, it is 64 multiple of 2. So 256 plus 1, 1008. So this and this will be cutting. So 1 raised to the power 1008 is nothing but remainder if I am talking about. So it is 1 only, na? So remainder is going to be 1. Remainder is going to be 1. Okay. Now the last technical question from geometry. In a triangle PQRS and T are the points on PQ, PR respectively. If ST is perpendicular to PR, area of triangle is PQR is 320 centimeter square. If PR is this and their ratio is 9:7 and PT to PR is 2:5, then find the length ST. कंफ्यूजिंग हो गया, डायग्राम बना देता हूँ. PQR आपको ट्राइंगल दे रखा है, PQR आपको ट्राइंगल दे रखा है. ओके, इट्स P, इट्स Q, इट्स R. ओके, और आपको दे रखा है इट इज लाइक दिस. कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया, रुक जाओ, थोड़ा रियलिस्टिक सा फिगर बनाता हूँ. अब ठीक है ना. So this is 90 degree. This is P, this is Q, this is R. ये आपको दे रखा है S, this is T. This is 2:5. This is 2:5. PT upon PR 2:5. PT upon TR is 2:5. And QS upon PS is 9:7. It is 9:7. Okay, it is TR. Like that it is given to you. Okay. PQR का एरिया आपको दे रखा है, PQR का आपको एरिया दे रखा है. It is TR, yes. Area of PQR is 320 centimeter square. Okay. So find the length of ST. ST कितना है आपको निकालना है. ठीक है. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन यही है. इसको थोड़ा जूम करके बनाएंगे. This is P, this is Q. Okay, this is the case. So PR दे रखा आपको 28. If PR is 28, then 2:5. So 2 by 7 of 28, 7 चौक 28. This is 8 centimeter and it is 20 centimeter. What else is given to you? QS upon PS is okay. So dear, area of triangle PST and area of triangle, you can say PQR, is how much? It is 7 by 16 of 2 by 7. So it is 1 by 8. Okay, so 8 part is 320, then 1 part is 40. Now what about area of PST? This you can calculate. It is half into base into height. This is 40 only. This is 1 part. So 4. So ST is 10. ST is 10. Yes. So this area is 40. If total is 320, then this portion is 1 by 8th. So 320 of 1 by 8th of 320 is 40. So half into base into height is 40. So ST must be 10 centimeter. Yes, it's alright. Okay. Now, my dear friend, the last 5 questions are 1 marks technical. Now, the last questions are 1 marks technical, and they are quick objectives. Now, 2 statements are given to you. The proportioning of footing is more often governed by its bearing capacity. Friction pile are also called floating pile. So, which of the following statements, above statements, are correct? The proportioning of footing is more often governed by its bearing capacity. No, it is governed by the dimensions. It is governed by the dimensions, not bearing capacity. Yes, friction piles are sometimes called floating piles. So only option 2 is correct. Statement 2 is correct. Next, the permissible tractive forces in an erodible channel depends upon which of the following? Angle of the response of the material, particle size, sediments content of water, or wetted perimeter of the channel. So this depends upon angle of the repose, particle size, sediments content of the channel, but yes, they do not depend upon the wetted perimeter. Okay. Discharge depends upon the wetted perimeter. So option 1, 2, 3, all these 3 options are correct. Next, which of the criteria given below are used to design of valley curves on road? Rider comfort, headlight sight distance, drainage. Valley curve, all these 3 are useful here. So option A. 1, 2, 3. All these 3 criteria are used for valley curves. Next, the purpose of recarburation of water softening by lime soda process is known as, very easy one. It is actually the conversion of precipitation to soluble form in water. Okay, this one. And last, the phenomena of regeneration of lift by rotating an object placed in a free stream is known as, this is very famous effect known as the Magnesium effect. So I hope guys you like today's 20 question. So we will be meeting again for the remaining 20 question in the next session. Okay, so till then goodbye, and tomorrow morning we will be meeting at 11 a.m. for formula series on structure and mechanics. It is the continuation of the lecture which I have taken on last Friday, I guess. So I hope you have watched that lecture. So it is going to be the continuation of that. And do not forget to enroll yourself for AIMT, which is going to happen every Sunday, January 2 to 30. So next AIMT is on 23rd of Jan morning 9 a.m. Okay, so you guys can go for this informative video. Okay, and live mentoring product is there with all the new iconic subscription deal. And next special class I'm going to take on 10 p.m. today. It's on slope and deflection. And you guys can also check out the brand new updates on the Unacademy Ask a Doubt, which is a faster and better way to resolve your doubts. This is our official Telegram channel link, and we do have lot many free content available on Unacademy special classes as well as on Unacademy official YouTube channel. But still I request my learner to go for our plus and iconic plan, because here they can have these many of things like live classes on the daily basis, weekly tests, structured courses, crash courses, RIVs and unlimited access to the content. Iconic की बात करें तो Iconic में plus के सारे benefits. Apart from that also you are going to get the personal coach who's going to plan your study, who's going to give the booster session for you, who's going to analyze your test at the personalized level. Not only this, also you are going to get the specialized notes and practice sets on the daily basis along with the dedicated doubt clearing educator. So Unacademy subscription here, it is available from 3 months to 2 years, and Iconic as well is available from 6 months to 2 years. So AISH10 is the key here to get yourself enrolled. So thanks a lot, take care, stay safe, bye bye, So see you soon guys.